Hello, Luxe lovers. Dior has been under heat during the past week when news broke concerning the cost to make a Dior bag and various other violations and labor laws that they've broken. People are really upset about it. Dior did not issue a statement after the news broke a week ago. Someone prominent within the royal family space was seen on July 10th in a cream-colored Lady Dior bag. Camilla, wife of King Charles, was seen wearing the handbag that was named after Princess Diana. Before she married, Princess Diana was titled Lady Diana. The original name for the Lady Dior bag was the Choo Choo. After former First Lady of France, Bernadette Chirac, gifted her the newly released bag, Dior changed the name of the bag to Lady Dior after she pretty much made it an iconic piece. Now here we are on July 10th, 2024, after the reveal and uproar concerning the low value of their bags, and they've chosen to have Camilla wear a bag popularized by Princess Diana. Did Dior cease to forget that Princess Diana did not like Camilla, the woman who stole her husband and who is now parading him as some sort of prize for all to see? Dior, this is not the way to recover from the damage that has already been done. Why not give Camilla any other bag from your collection? No, instead, you chose to be so vile and have her wear a piece popularized by Diana, a royal woman who people loved so much and still cannot believe that she's gone. Why use Princess Diana and her link to the bag in such a way? All for you to attempt to recover lost profits and to cover up the recent news about your abusive labor practices? Did you think that Camilla wearing a bag that is synonymous with Diana was a great marketing move that would restore people's desire for your brand? Camilla, of all people? Learning about the true cost of your bags was one thing, but to now stoop so low and use Diana for your selfish gain is reprehensible, to say the least.